Okay, welcome. Yeah, quick video today. New update for the Fimi X8 Mini. We've got 1027G on the firmware, and it's supposed to add a gale warning, like a high wind warning, just like the X8 SE had back in 2018. It'd come up and say gale warning, whatever. And the other one is it's to implement the Find My Drone function. Okay, so we're just going to get it up and see what that's like. Okay, let's get it up. Now that's a fast takeoff. Let's bring it down a bit. There we go. Okay, now if you're going to compare this to a Hudson Mini, it's not near as stable. It wanders a little bit. Okay, so anything under that 5 meter mark, it just wanders slightly. Okay, so let's bring it back over. Okay, so what have we got for video? Let's hit the video mark here. Go high, 1080. I just redid some of my computer stuff. I got a different laptop, an old one, but it's better than what I got. And we're going to try some 4K. Okay. 4K 30, there we go. Okay, I don't know what the SD card is like. Maybe I should just go with the 2K, 2.7. That's good enough. I'll know if the computer's any better by doing that. So there we go. We'll go 2K 30. That'll do it. Okay, let's start that video. Here we go, and we're just gonna go up a little bit, and we're gonna. Whoa, is that fast? And we'll bring that down a bit. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's go up a little higher. What have we got here? There's 0. Okay, we're at 0. Okay, now we're at 0. I like the wheel on the X8 SE. This one you got to use your finger. Okay, let's go up a little higher. Hear that whine? Haven't had this up for a while. 50. Okay, let's turn it around. It's not HDR. Okay, no problem. Okay, and if we go down on that a bit, we'll get some more brightness and go out. There it goes. Just want to have a look at something. There it is. I can still see it. Okay, and we'll come around. I should see it coming back. There it is. Pretty good. Okay. And we're gonna, there we go. Turn around and drop it. There we go, coming down. So I know my battery on the controller is going to run out, but we're going to just test the Find My Drone. There we go. So let's just drop it there. Okay, and we put it over there. Let's just drop it. Boom. Turned off, and it turned off. Now we're going to go into Find My Drone. Where's... It's not there. Okay. Let's go back into here. Where's Find My Drone? It should be in the bottom here. Find My Drone. Here we are. Let's click that over to there. And let's zoom in. How far can we zoom in? Look at that, eh? Boom. Okay. I'm standing at the... It's pretty accurate. I'm standing at the blue dot. Okay. And it says it's halfway down my driveway. Pretty good. It's using Google Maps though. There you go. Awesome. So it works. So 1027G seems to be fine. Not a problem. Great little flight. Came back, landed, find my drone. I don't know if it's got, doesn't have a beep, does it? Where's the beep? Start beeping. Let's try that. Can I hear it? Can I hear it yet? No beeping. I don't hear a beep. So it says there, I stop it, start it, we'll start to beep, please wait. Okay, we'll wait. So how long do we have to wait? Have a red light on the back, got lots of battery. But it's not beeping. Well, swing and a bunt. Oh, there it goes. Awesome. I can hear the beep. Oh, I almost spoke out of turn. Let's see. I'm here. 6 meters away. I hear the beep. 10 meters away. I can hear the beep. And there's traffic going by. It's not bad. Let's see again. I'm a good 30 meters away, 25. I can hear it. I can really hear it. So if I was in the middle of a field, that would be loud. Okay? If I go back to the house, which is at least 30, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, maybe I was wrong. 16 meters. It looks farther than that. So 16 to 20 meters, I can hear it. That's great. Okay? So there we have it. I gotta go get it. I gotta go out. But everything seems to work. If I hit the button again, it turns off. You just have to wait, I guess. But it does work. Awesome job, Fimi. See you next time. I love the Mini. I love the X8 Mini. It's got the build on it is so much better than the other ones. Just the way that it's got those little legs that you can, when you unfold it. Okay. It's got a single unit gimbal cover. Okay. It's got a better battery. Okay. The way it clips in, it's a lot better than the other ones. You don't have to worry about breaking it. It's USB-C charging. It's awesome. Okay? See you later. Bye. Whoops, that fell.